What's up? What's going on, y'all? Y'all see I got the 210 on again, man. He sent me like 3 shirts. It's my man. Y'all ever need a box made, design, or shoot, rear decks? He do some of the same stuff as me, but he go crazy on the sub boxes. Y'all make sure y'all check him out. But he don't really be on Instagram no more, so y'all hit him on YouTube. He will definitely respond. Man, I tell y'all, I was picking up wood, right, with the truck. And I always look at my gauges, always. Y'all probably be noticing that too. Somebody asked, why you always looking at your gauges? You never know, man. You gotta be checking your gauges out, because if your numbers ain't right, you know what I'm saying, you'll be like, stuck. So, show y'all. I was at Home Depot, picked up 5 sheets of wood and some other stuff. Started my truck. Gauge wasn't right. I see that oil pressure. It come on and it moves, you see. My truck been sitting, that's why I sounded like that. It come on and it move, but I don't know if it don't have no pressure. I don't know if it's the sensor, I don't know if it's the gauge, I don't know if it's the oil pump. I just don't know. So today, I'm gonna go ahead and pull the sender out. I got a manual, yeah, it connected to the Bluetooth, but I got a manual oil pressure gauge that I can use to test to see if it has pressure. Hopefully it got pressure, because I'm not trying to replace this motor or rebuild this motor. I'm not trying to do nothing to this motor. I just want to be able to top my little oil leak off, top my fluids off, and go. I don't want to be doing all this crazy stuff to my truck, cause y'all always say just get another truck. I'm broke. This shop breaking me like never before. Can't get another truck if I wanted to right now. I need my shop, definitely. The shop gonna bring in money, man, so I'm just staying steady and pushing on that, man, cause once that's situated, I'll be all right. But for now, Big Rig gonna have to make it, I hope. It's just the sensor or something. So let me show y'all what I got. You can find this sensor online, man. This thing is $100. I ain't never seen a sensor that's $100. And it was only at a special store, like basically the warehouse for all the stuff around here. So I had to go there and get it. And then I got this manual oil pressure gauge. Right here, man, manual oil pressure gauge, so I can connect this straight to the motor. But I just got my fitting set up right, which I got some extra fittings. Y'all see how big that is. But let me go ahead and get my fittings and see what I could adapt to this to get to this size in thread. And then I pull the sensor out and we see if the motor got pressure. Pray to God this thing got pressure, man, 'cause I don't got everything breaking right now. Like, I'm telling y'all, when it rain, it pour. So I got my chainsaw broke, my washer just broke, the truck broke. Rock truck, I already had some kind of electrical issue to where it kept killing the battery, and his truck don't start no more. But everything else, that's pretty much it. But everything else, man, the shop's supposed to be, I thought that we'll be done in about 3-4 days. Everybody took a break for the holidays, so that stopped. It's just raining. It's raining on me right now. All but my cars. But my truck been through hell, man. So that's how we gonna. I'm gonna show y'all. Let me give me a jacket. All right, let's see. Wish I had somebody else to start it, but I know my wife's gonna try to do it. See, like this looks similar. Yeah, it look real similar. What I like to do is put them together. Yeah, it definitely look close. It ain't 100% together. Let's see. Yeah, like that. Yeah, I see. Look close. Now, you just gotta make sure this fit in here. Yep, it does. So what I'm gonna do is just hand thread this into the block, and then I'll start it, and let's see if we get some pressure. If we do, this or the gauge is bad. So the thing about that, man, I didn't want to buy a $100 sensor if it ain't broke. So say if I put the sensor in there and then it still ain't showing on the gauges, I can't return that $100 sensor because I already got oil in it. And then I'm still gonna have to send my gauges out. It's gonna be about $120 plus shipping there. So I say about $150. But still, even if that's the case, man, I won't have to replace the oil pump. So I won't be too mad. But damn, I don't want to just be wasting money. Alright, so I'm about to jump up there, man. This is all I need. It's the oil gauge, 1/2 inch, 2 1/2 inch extensions. I might need one, but I'm bringing them both up there. I ain't trying to jump back down. 1 1/16 socket. The whole thing fit now. Then shoot. Just gonna jump up there and see what it do, man. I really hope and pray. It's just that. Or just one of them too. Cause I ain't trying to replace no oil pump on that. Cause I don't even know what you gotta do. If it's like LS style where you just take the front off, that's cool. But if it's like small block style, you're gonna have to undo the motor mounts, lift the motor, all kind of crazy stuff. But let me just shut up and just try to see if you got pressure. I'm recording from here though, in hopes to see if I can see the damn sensor, man. I can't even see it. Found it, y'all. It's right there. I can't even see it. Like, I had to use the phone to actually see where I gotta put my hand to do it. Yeah, let me try to stick my hand down there. See if I can get it. It's kind of rough, man. I ain't gonna even lie. I had to come under here and unhook it. Y'all can probably see where the oil cylinder is unhooked. Try to zoom in. Yeah, right there. I had to come under and unhook it. Now I'll be able to loosen it up. And then I might have to come back under here to get pressure thing on. Alright, it's on, and I got plenty of space for the ratchet. So let's see what we do. The cylinder drop on top of the transmission. Look like. Let's see what we get. Hang on, just wait for me to stick my hand down there. I'm trying to go underneath and hand thread it. Hell no, I can't see shit, man. Can't see shit. Damn. I really want to stick that sensor in there, that ain't it. Kind of have no way to test though. I can stick my hand down on this side, but probably not around far enough. Man, this is crazy.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Try something stupid real quick. Started. See some oil come out. This ain't got 0. No oil should come out. Got a little pan down there in the cardboard. Oh my God! Oh shit! Somebody got pressure. Now let's get the cylinder back in there and let me go get some sawdust. I don't want the gauge to fall out, so what I'm about to do is get some tape. And I'm put some tape here and here. That way when I drop it down, it won't drop out the socket. Alright, this is just some masking tape, so this is what it should do. Yeah, that's what it should do when it drops down instead of coming all the way out. So while like that, we should be able to catch a little bit of thread. If it catch, then we just pull the socket back up, take the tape off, and tighten it down. I need one hand to angle it, and the other hand to turn. I'm trying to angle and turn with one hand. It ain't working. Alright, so I taped it again, but I stuck a bunch inside of the socket in hopes to tighten the sensor, as y'all can see. And then I got it on the inside again. So I'm gonna drop down. Let's see what we can get now. Y'all seen how impossible it was, right? I can't even see what I'm doing because, yeah. So this is what I came up with. Stick my hand all the way in through the harness, and from there, I'm using the phone to see what I'm doing, but y'all see my hand? Whoa. Tremendous progress. So, yeah, I'm gonna use the phone to help me put this thing in, thread it in, and I can do the rest with the tool. It fucking hurt, man, let me tell you. It does hurt. Like I said, I can't see nothing. So all I can see is what the phone's showing. I'm not even touching the phone because it's too uncomfortable. But I don't know why I ain't think to go behind this piece right here. EGR piece. Wrap my arm around it. Damn, it's a pain in the ass just for oil plug. Oh yeah, I got it. Yes, Lord, I got it. Damn, that was so much, boy. Shit. Okay, so it's in. Pray, God, please let this be the sender that's out. Let's see. Damn, I need a jump. 100%. And yeah, as long as you plug the cable in, you should be able to jump start. Go ahead and connect these terminals. Light green, so we good. 100%. We'll see if it's gonna start this thing. I don't know what that clicking is. Oh yeah, it definitely started it up. And yeah, let's go. We got pressure. But yeah, we got oil pressure, man. I knew we had some oil pressure. My truck don't never let me down like that. So I don't know if my truck needs another battery or what. But y'all definitely stay tuned. Man, this is a wonderful sign, man. I'm out.